Initiate realme 5G era. Core charged. Ready for 5G processor. Activate max 5G speed. Full throttle towards the future. Warning. Activate cooling technology. Future speed is achieved.
Realme X7 Max 5G. Future at full speed. Realme, dare to leap.
At realme, we are driven by our desire of future speed. And speed has come a long way from where it started. Hours became minutes, and minutes turned into an instant. Still not fast enough? From 2G to 3G to 4G, we leapt from one generation to the next. But the next leap is the greatest one ever. The leap to a 5G future, where all you want is just a touch away. Reimagine lag-free gaming, streaming and downloading, all in real time. Presenting realme X7 Max 5G with India's first Dimensity 1200 5G processor. Be 5G future ready. Realme, dare to leap.